Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 12 side hustles that you can do from your phone. If you're looking to make some extra money or even turn your side hustle into a full-time job, then this video is for you. We'll cover a range of options that you can choose from based on your skills, interests, and availability. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Section 1. Online surveys. The first side hustle on our list is taking online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay you for your opinions on their products or services, and all you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Some popular survey sites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it can be a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Section 2. Virtual assistants. Another side hustle you can do from your phone is virtual assistants. If you have strong organizational skills and enjoy administrative tasks, then this could be the perfect side hustle for you. As a virtual assistant, you'll be helping businesses with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and data entry. Some popular platforms to find virtual assistant jobs include Upwork and Fiverr. Section 3. Freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, then freelance writing could be a great side hustle for you. You can write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more for various clients. Popular freelance writing platforms include Freelancer and Textbroker. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have strong writing skills and the ability to research and write on a variety of topics. Section 4. Social media management. Another side hustle that involves using your phone is social media management. If you're someone who loves scrolling through social media and has an eye for great content, then this could be a perfect side hustle for you. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing social media analytics. Popular platforms to find social media management jobs include Upwork and Indeed. Section 5. Selling products online. Another popular side hustle is selling products online. You can sell your own products or become an affiliate marketer for other companies. Some popular platforms to sell products include Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have a product or service that people want and know how to market it effectively. Section 6. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, then online tutoring could be a great side hustle for you. You can teach students from all over the world from the comfort of your own home. Popular tutoring platforms include Chegg and TutorMe. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have a strong understanding of the subject you're teaching and the ability to explain it in a clear and concise manner. Section 7. Mobile photography. If you have a talent for taking great photos, then mobile photography could be a lucrative side hustle for you. You can sell your photos on platforms like Shutterstock and iStock. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have an eye for great photos and the ability to edit them using various apps. Section 8. Translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, then translation services could be a great side hustle for you. You can translate documents, audio, and video content for clients around the world. Popular translation platforms include Prozee and Translators Cafe. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have strong language skills and the ability to translate accurately and efficiently. Section 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another side hustle that you can do from your phone. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales that you generate. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates and ClickBank. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have a strong understanding of marketing and the ability to create persuasive content. Section 10. Podcasting. If you enjoy talking about a particular topic, then podcasting could be a great side hustle for you. You can record and edit your podcast episodes on your phone and upload them to platforms like Apple Podcasts and Spotify. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have a clear and engaging voice and the ability to create interesting content that your listeners will enjoy. Section 11. Graphic design. If you have a talent for graphic design, then you can offer your services to clients as a side hustle. You can create logos, social media graphics, and other designs using your phone and various design apps. Popular graphic design platforms include Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have strong design skills and the ability to create visually appealing designs. Section 12. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a side hustle that involves selling products online without having to handle inventory. You can set up an online store and use platforms like AliExpress and Oberlo to source products and fulfill orders. To succeed in this side hustle, you need to have a strong understanding of e-commerce and the ability to market your products effectively. And there you have it, 12 side hustles that you can do from your phone. Whether you're looking to make some extra money or turn your side hustle into a full-time job, there are plenty of options to choose from. Remember to do your research, find what works for you, and stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on making money online and other exciting topics. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.